Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to teach you how to fix your Gmail not sending mails or why your Gmail is being queued. So the methods to solve this problem is really simple, so stay tuned to know about it in depth. So if your Gmails are stuck in queued state, first you need to check your internet connection for stability. Then simply open your Gmail and go in the outbox section where you need to refresh your mails. So once you do this, your queued mail will be played here, and after refreshing for several times, it may fix the problem ASAP. Otherwise, you can also try to update your Gmail app, or you can go in the settings section, type in app and then go to the apps. Then you can scroll down and find the Gmail app. Once you've found the Gmail app, you need to tap on it, and then in the storage section, you can find clear cache. After clearing your cache as well, it will help you to solve this problem. So by trying all these methods, you can fix your Gmail not sending emails or being queued problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.